In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to move a Trello board to another workspace step by step. If you're reorganizing projects, separating personal and teamwork, or simply cleaning up your account structure, moving a board to the correct workspace keeps everything organized and easy to manage. The good news is that Trello makes this process very simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the entire process from start to finish so you can follow along without missing anything. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Trello guides. Now, let's get started. First, open Trello and go to the board that you want to move. Make sure you are logged into the correct account that has permission to manage that board. Once you're inside the board, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the three dots icon, which opens the board menu options. Go ahead and click on those three dots. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Settings. This is where you can manage board details like visibility, workspace location, and other configurations. After clicking on Settings, you'll see the current workspace listed. It will show the name of the workspace that the board currently belongs to. This is the workspace we're going to change. Click on the current workspace name. When you click it, a drop-down list will appear showing all the workspaces that you have access to. Carefully select the workspace that you want to move this board to. Make sure you choose the correct one, especially if you manage multiple teams or client accounts. Once you've selected the new workspace, click on Change to confirm the action. Trello may take a second to process the update, but the board will now be reassigned to the new workspace. At this point, the move is technically complete, but let's confirm everything worked properly. Go back to the Trello homepage. From there, navigate to the workspace that you just moved the board into. Click on that workspace to open it. Next, go to the Board section inside that workspace. Here you should now see the board you just transferred listed among the other boards in that workspace. If you can see it there, that confirms the move was successful. That's all it takes to move a Trello board to another workspace. It's a quick process, but it's extremely useful if you're reorganizing projects, transferring ownership, or restructuring your workflow. Just remember, you need the proper permissions to move a board, so if you don't see the option to change workspaces, you may need admin access. Keeping your boards in the correct workspace helps with team collaboration, billing organization, and overall project clarity. If this video helped you move your Trello board successfully, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Trello tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.